How to recover unsaved file from Microsoft Word. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the perfect way. So let's start with the video guys, and at the end if you like this video hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I'm on my Microsoft Word. So first we need to go in file, just go to the file option and go to the info. Under the info we need to go in management documents. Manage documents. Here under the manage document just click down arrow and go to the recover unsaved documents. Now the window will be open, which is a document automatically saved, which is unsaved. Okay, so here you can see the old document, which is backup. It is like backup. Okay, so from here you can see date or modification. So you just click on it and you can find the recent saved file. So this is my recent saved file. You can also check the size time and size, and just click it and open it, and now you can save as a new file. Okay, so that is how you can find the unsaved file in the Microsoft Word. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.